Aquascape Creations. Welcome back to our channel, as well as part 3 of our 3-part series of the Martinez project here in California. Now in part 1, you saw us help our client fix a stream leak that she had, as well as install a wetland filter. And in part 2, you saw us help her rebuild a waterfall feature that was right next to her pond. Now for part 3 is where we really get creative. We built a brand new pond from the ground up, and our client really trusted us with this project. So we decided to help her and make it as natural as possible. We installed a wetland filter in this one as well, and a slab bridge that cuts right through the water feature. I can't wait for you guys to see this project, so let's get started. Steps we took to building this amazing pond was digging out the feature that we wanted it to look like. So after that, we installed the aqua blocks, the underlayment, a centipede module, all the liner, all the special features it takes to actually build a pond and make it look this natural.
And now we're gonna be picking up the boulders for this job. For this project, we selected Walnut Creek. That's the name of the boulders that we're gonna be using. These are like really smooth boulders. The client like those, so he wanna incorporate those. This is granite, very dense, heavy. So we're gonna be using those for this project. This is gonna be the largest one over here, right here. That will be the biggest size that we're going to be using, and we already selected some of this as well.
The pond, we installed this beautiful natural stone slab bridge that was a pre-existing concrete walkway, but it didn't quite fit with the aesthetic. So we completely cut right through it, and it's now a walkable, amazing natural bridge that flows seamlessly with the pond and allows fish to swim right underneath as you're walking by. The final result is a beautiful ecosystem that brings the entire nature all around, all together. Our client trusted us with being creative and innovative with this pond. and truly one of her favorite features was the walkway bridge, as I showed you before. We love this project, and we loved all the other projects we've done for this property. We thank our client so much for letting us be creative in building this beautiful pond for her. We also thank you guys for watching part 1 and part 2 of this 3-part series and coming with us on this journey. We loved every aspect of this project, and if you are ever interested in a project or any of the projects like you saw in these 3 videos, don't hesitate to reach out and call us or go to our website, aquascapecreations.com. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you on the next one, and maybe another project here. Who knows?